I am now joined by Mr. Samrat Dutta, who is the Chief Marketing Officer and the Head of Corporate Communications for Azizi Bank in Afghanistan. Thank you very much for coming in and speaking to me today.
Pleasure, thank you.
Now, Azizi Bank has a great success story. It's a very large and successful business. We cannot speak in a short time about all of it. But as an indication of your success, I think you're the largest commercial bank group in the country.
Absolutely.
On what basis are you the largest? Why are you the largest? Is that market share, turnover? How successful are you?
Okay. Azizi Bank got established in the year 2006 by Mr. Mirwais Azizi. Thereafter, the bank has always witnessed a sustainable growth in almost all business segments. If you talk about our market share, we are the market leaders in terms of the customer base. We have more than 1 million customers in the bank. We are the market leaders in terms of trade finance business. We control almost 35% of the market in terms of trade finance business, bank guarantees, LCs. In terms of remittance business, again we are the market leaders. We control almost 50% of the market. In terms of salary business, we have almost all the government institutions, ministries, large corporates, international NGOs, international companies, embassies. So overall, if you talk about our market share or the overall business, we are the market leaders in almost maximum parameters.
And if you are almost the sole bank for government embassy business, you must have a very trusted name.
Oh yeah, of course. That's what our bank punch name is, a bank you can trust.
Indeed.
Yes, and again I'll just give you a small fact about Afghanistan. The population of Afghanistan is about 32 million. Out of these 32 million people, as per the central bank data, about 8 to 9% people are only banking. So if you, from 32 million, if you take 9%, which is about maybe 3 million, we have 1.2 million customers.
So you have a huge market share.
Absolutely, yes. We are present everywhere in Afghanistan. See, Afghanistan is a very small country. It has got 34 provinces. So out of the 34 provinces, we are present in 31 provinces.
Fabulous. Now, I looked at your company website, the bank's website, and it speaks about the bank's philosophy. Operational excellence, which probably speaks for itself as you are that successful. Customer-focused product leadership, and it then talks about people, which I think is really about your corporate social responsibility. What do you do to support the people?
Our corporate motto, of course, is Operation Excellence. We have the latest technology in the bank. When we talk about people, Afghanistan is an Islamic country, but we encourage women to come and work in the bank. So we have almost 15% of the total population of employees. We have 1,600 employees in the bank. Out of 1,600 employees, approximately about 15% of the employees are women.
Fantastic.
So we encourage women to come and work. So that's one thing that we have done in the country in terms of capacity building, not only for the Afghan population, but also encouraging the women to come outside and work. Yes, for the people, Azizi Bank is very active in corporate social responsibilities. We have been very active for the last 3 years as of now. We have been doing a lot of programs in association with the ministry, especially the Ministry of Women Affairs. Mm-hmm. We do a lot of initiative for the women empowerment programs. We are also associated with the Ministry of Cultural Affairs, wherein we do a lot of initiative with the ministry. This year we have started environmental sustainability programs wherein, in fact from last year we have planted trees. We want to see a greener Afghanistan. See, Afghanistan, a country, is like it's a lot of mountains,
Yes.
but those mountains are rock barren mountains. So what we feel is that for the future of the country and for the future of the children of the country, we need to have a green, a green Afghanistan where people can breathe fresh air.
Yes.
So we have taken a lot of initiative for planting trees across the country, and we have been doing this in association with the government and the municipality. Apart from that, yes, we have been, taking care of the societal needs, like we have been supporting the poor, the orphanages, the, destitute houses. We have been helping them, yes.
So your range of community contribution is really quite extensive.
Yes, we do have a separate budget for that.
Okay.
We have a separate unit for that. We have specific meetings. We have specific policies for that. And we have every month we have a meeting of the forthcoming activities, like what are the activity for this month. We decide, we phrase, and then we do it. And it's an ongoing process.
Excellent. When on your website you're talking about your service, it says you are technology savvy. And I think I have read somewhere today that you are going to people's houses,
Yes.
and offering your services, and you have biometric ID.
Yes.
Is that something that you have developed?
Yes, we are the first bank to have developed this. See, as I told you before, only 9% people are banking. So there's a huge opportunity. It may be a challenge, but again, challenges brings opportunities. So when I'm talking about 9% people are banking, so I have got 91% people who are still not banking. So the best way to do banking is to go to their house and do banking. Okay, fine. You don't come to the bank, I come to your house. So that's the policy that we have adopted, and for that we have invested a lot of money on technology building, and we have incorporated a lot of technological innovations in terms of biometric solutions, branchless banking, mobile wallet, all these solutions. So we are the first bank to have incorporated.
That's specifically focused on the potential clients in Afghanistan.
Yes, financial. You can term it as financial inclusion.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
You're obviously very successful. You're obviously developing new ideas. What does the future hold for Azizi Bank? Where do you go next?
See, our main focus is to sustain our position as market leaders in Afghanistan. Our main focus is to ensure that our customers are very happy. We give solutions to our customers. We give them options for banking. See, banking is a very vast subject, and in a country like Afghanistan, there is a lot of opportunity that you can bring in, and I would rather like to congratulate our management, Mr. Azizi, and our CEO and Deputy CEO, who has trusted on expats. Like, our management it's a group of expats, people who have got experience of more than 25 years, 30 years in banking, in India, in Africa, in Europe. So those people have come and have utilized their expertise in building the brand Azizi Bank. That is the reason we have been successfully and we have been consistently growing.
Okay.
If you talk about our future, of course, yes, as I said, the first two parameters is, of course, to sustain our position and to ensure our customers are happy. And third, we want to go overseas. We have plans to open our rep offices. Maybe in the next couple of years, as per our strategic plan 2020, we have plans to have overseas branches in the neighboring countries bordering Afghanistan.
So in the next few years, I'm not going to be surprised to find an Azizi Bank in London.
Maybe, yeah, you can be, yes.
Okay. I saw a video earlier today, at the end of which I was very taken with the response of your staff on the video, and they all seemed genuinely keen to serve their customers.
Absolutely.
And they seem very happy in what they are doing.
Yes, absolutely correct. See, the employees of the bank are very motivated. They want to work. They want to do something for the bank. And again, it has been because of the management philosophy, the culture that we've incorporated in the bank. The employees have the eagerness to see. Afghan people are very talented. They are highly talented people. They want to learn. They want to learn new things. And we are grateful as expats. We are grateful that we are able to contribute, for the society, for the banking requirements. And I really appreciate the young Afghans. And if you see the average age of the employees in our bank is about 25 years is the average age. So all are youngsters, and they have the eagerness to learn.
And that in itself bodes well for the future.
Absolutely.
It has been a pleasure speaking to you. I could chat to you for hours. There is so much to hear about your bank.
Absolutely.
But of course, time is against us. I would just like to thank you very much indeed for coming and speaking to me. It has been a pleasure.
Pleasure is mine.
And I wish you and Azizi Bank every success for the future.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.